Just for the new audience, if you're watching the video for the first time, I am a construction project manager. I am managing this project for the stakeholders, and what I do on a daily basis is come to the job site, review the drawings, and make sure that the contractor is following the drawings according to what the architects and the engineers have specified to be done on this project. That is what I do. Welcome back to the channel. My channel is called The Real One. I blog about my investment properties and also my struggles, ups and downs with dealing with contractors and dealing with building issues that arise during the construction or renovation of my properties. And I help others renovate and develop their property. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much to the old subscribers and thank you to the new subscribers. Please make sure to share this video, like this video, comment below if you will. Thank you so much for your support. The masonry subcontractor continues the brick restoration, and at this point what he's working on is the limestone that goes with the window arch. So he's working on the piece that is called the key. The key is where the arch comes to a peak and it connects together. That is what he's working on with this limestone that he's doing right now. Last week we saw him sketch it out, measure it out, and now he's actually doing the actual cutting of this limestone to fit the arch. This is how the limestone is being worked on a job site. In most cases, everything will have been cut to size out somewhere in the workshop, in the fab shop, and then those pieces will be brought to the site. But unfortunately, the site that we're building with here is over 100 years old, so things are not exactly the way it's supposed to be. A lot of adjustment is being made in the field, and that is why this limestone is being worked right here on this truck bed. Typically, this machine that is using the sawzall here will have a hose connected to it, and those will bring water, and the water will be somehow in the sawzall will be sprinkled out to keep the dust down. But unfortunately, at this site, we don't have any running water, so he cannot do that to minimize the dust. At the same time, it also helps him because when the water comes, everything is all muddy and then it looks all slushy and all mushy, and it becomes a little hard and difficult to work with too. But we're making do what we have here in field, and that's what he's doing right here, using this sawzall as if it is a pencil. I mean, he's just a master at what he's doing here, and this is no easy thing to do, to take a big machine and to cut a small stone down to this. And in the previous episode, you saw him measuring, drafting, and we're talking about him measuring twice and cutting once. So all that calculation has been done, and now he's making this happen. Thank you for joining me on this video. This is video vlog episode 154, I believe. It is not, it will be 155. But all is well. Typically, my contract states that I come to the job site twice to 3 times in a week, and I come here for probably within an hour and document what's happening. But unfortunately, due to the nature of this project, I cannot keep to that contract. Things happen on a daily basis, and questions are being asked on a daily basis. So I find myself being here on a regular. For me, it is an experience and also a way to catalog what is happening and document what is happening for you viewers on this channel. And at the same time, it is a plus to the owner, to the stakeholders of this project. What you just saw there is him cutting the key that is going to go on top of the peak of the arch, and it's just a beautiful thing to see them at work using the tools like a pencil and with nice precision, and measure twice and cut once. It's pretty cool to see him do that. And now he's going to place that up there. There you go. Look at that. That's a thing of beauty. Look at that. That's the key. That's it. I'm just gonna go fine tune it and shape it more, and come back and bring it in there and put it in there. That's how you do it. Yeah. Very cool. All right. All right. They are going full steam ahead. Look at this. Nice work. They got the arches up there, and they are cutting the bricks, making the arch work. Nice. They keep checking the levels, checking to make sure things are straight right away when they put the bricks. Every little cross of brick. You know that, look at the keys on top. See, this one now is up to the level, and they're gonna do the arch on this one and this one and that one, and they are going gangbusters on this, guys, man. This is really good. Good morning. No holiday for you?
Huh?
No holiday?
No holiday.
All right. Okay. Look nice, look good.
Yeah, thank you. Hey, how are you?
Good morning, I'm fine.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What do you think? How's everything too?
It's looking good.
Looking good?
Yeah, Paul did a good job yesterday, the arch. Yeah, very good.
I'm gonna try to finish the gap. I got an artist too today.
Today? Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to do it.
All right. For the weather change.
Yeah.
Okay. That's cool. Excellent. You guys are wonderful, wonderful. I like it.
Thank you.
Let's go inside and check the inside out. That's the template for the arch. So the template, the arch came out of the template already. That's good. Let's go inside. Go check it out inside. So they're doing the substrate, the back of the wall. The substrate to hold the wall up. That's what they're doing now. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you? Good. Sometimes you have to the pros outweigh the cons in terms of keeping to the contract. It's on me to tell what are the key areas. Sometimes on the days that I come, that I say on the days that I'm scheduled to come, that might be a day that there's nobody here. And if I come and there's nobody here, then they'll be like, oh, well, nothing to document. And so that is why I just took it upon myself to just come in on a regular basis and forgo what is considered the contract. Suck it up and go forward and come on a daily basis. All is well. Hope you are appreciating what is being documented. Thank you. Not too many times I'm like speechless, but it's what they're doing is self-explanatory. As you can see, the window is taking shape. We're working on the windows, The guy comes in and cleans it, makes sure everything is fresh and neat. You gotta open that. You don't want me to open that, but put the little for saying the name, put a date of when they came, and then you get you a new tissue roll, and you're good to go. Handle your business and cook with comfort.